Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another Funday Sunday watch face review. And thank you all for letting me into your home. You didn't have to, but you did. But you know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna make Sunday the watch face of the day. Yeah, you know what? That's what I'm gonna do. All right, so look out for that. And with that being said, let's go ahead and let's kick this review off. I know you probably got something planned for today, if not resting. So with that being said, let's go ahead and kick this review off. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. I am glad you stayed. Before we get started, we want to say good morning to a few people. Good morning, Kryptonia. Good morning, Jackie. Good morning, Sean. What's up, Martin? Good morning, David. Alan. Good morning, Adrian. Good morning, 27 Gunny. Good morning, Martin. I don't know if I said Martin twice, but good morning, Glenn. Good morning to everybody. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for letting me into your home. I know this is Sunday. It's ending the weekend, so make it a fun day Sunday, regardless of what you're going to do today, whether it be relaxing, cooking, going out, just have fun. And with that being said, let's go ahead and let's kick off this review. Now, the name of the watch face is called Iconic Shift Watch Face. Now, I chose it simply because of the design and the convenience of use. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get this started. Now, up at the top, you're going to get info on your battery. It's small, but you still can see it. And it is an interactive watch. In the middle, you get a nice look at your time, your month, your date, and your day, which is a good look. And you get, well, you can go into your messages, and it is interactive, so all I got to do is simply tap there and it takes me right there. Same thing with your email. So it seems like the developer gave you everything that you needed right at your fingertips. Now, I find this very useful, not only for an everyday watch face to be dressed down, but for the runner in you. So if you need to get your music, you need to check your messages that just came through, it's right there for the getting. So this is what I like about it. And you can get information on your steps as well. I mean, it's very small. It's not as legible as it could be, but you can tap on it and go into it at the top and at the bottom as well. So this is a good look. So I'm liking this watch face. You got to hit me down in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. But listen, check this out. Now, it supposedly have 30 watch face colors in all. You just simply double tap and it takes you through a lot of the different ones that it has to offer. I don't think I've really seen 30, but I think when shifting your wrist, different colors, different phases of colors will show up. I mean, I think it's a good look all in all, whether it has 30 watch faces or not, but you be the judge of it. Just hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if this is worth $1.49 in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, go ahead, finish off your weekend and have the best day ever again. And make sure you hit the like button on the way out now, and then subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and make sure you hit the bell to be notified of more videos that I drop on this channel. All right, you all, I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.